Want to add moss and debris removal to your services, but don't want to run the risk of climbing ladders and standing on tiles? Then this is the ground-safe solution for you. This is the Pure Freedom RoofMaster Complete Roof Scraper Kit. It's designed to let you clear moss and debris from the ground using a telescopic pole, so there's no work in the height and no ladder faff. So what makes the RoofMaster work so well is the combination of a light, rigid scraper head, a fully adjustable working angle, and a quick swap blades. Inside the kit you get the RoofMaster head assembly, the blade adapter and blade clamp, the clamping hardware to set the lock and angle, and the fittings needed to get started. You also get a full blade set to suit common UK roof tile profiles, things like Double Roman, Ludlow, Mendip, Wessex, Grovebury, Regent, Renown, and flat options, so you can choose the blade that matches the tile and get smoother, cleaner passes. There's also a wire brush included, which is ideal for detailing ridges and tackling stubborn areas where you want a bit more control. Setup is straightforward. First choose the correct blade for the tile profile, fit it into the head and clamp it tight. Then connect the head to the pole using the supplied adapters. Finally set the working angle to match the roof pitch and lock it off so the scraper sits flat and stable against the tile. Keep the scraper head flat against the tile. Use light downward pulls and let the blade do the work. Avoid levering under tiles. This is about removing moss, not prying. When working with older tiles, use good judgment. For safety, always keep a clear drop zone and wear eye protection and gloves. Always be mindful when working with overhead power lines. After the job, rinse everything down, dry it thoroughly and wipe the blades clean before storage. Then pack it all back into the carry bag so it's ready for the next job. So that's the Pure Freedom RoofMaster Complete Roof Scraper Kit. Everything you need in one bag. To choose the right option on our site, remember there are 4 listings: the kit and pole bundle, the complete kit with no pole, the head only, and individual blades for replacements or extras.